How to make your phone screen stay on longer. Now, when you're trying to do something on your phone, but your phone keeps locking out because of inactivity, I'm going to show you how you can make your phone screen stay longer. So for this, you want to head over to your settings, and here you want to scroll down and find the option of display. Now tap on display, and over here you have lots of settings. So what you want to look for here is screen timeout. So here you found it, so tap on it. Now it is set to 30 seconds. In default, it is usually 30 seconds. So after 30 seconds of inactivity, your screen is locked. So if you want to change that and make it a little bit longer, you can tap on the time duration that you want. So here you have option of 1 minute, 2 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes. So if you wanted to stay up longer, then you can decide 5 minutes or 10 minutes. Once you have done that, you can simply go back, and now your screen time will be up to 10 minutes. So in this way, you can make your own screen stay on longer. And that is it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.